Wall Street opens this morning after hitting a new milestone. The Dow Jones Industrial Average soared past 23,000 yesterday for the first time. It closed just below that mark, gaining 40 points for the day. Since the start of 2017, the Dow has climbed more than 3,000 points. CBS News business analyst Jill Schlesinger is here with what's behind the record-breaking surge. Jill, good morning. So what are some of the factors?
Well, I think the first thing is that the economy is growing, and the global economy is growing, and that may have a bigger factor this year because the rest of the world has caught up to the U.S. We also know that corporate profits are doing quite well. They've done quite well for the last 6 months or so, and that's been helpful. And we're in a low interest rate environment. You put those three things together, you get a surging market, and it's a continuation of this strong bull market. It is now the second longest bull market on record.
Well, the president's taken credit for the surge. Can he?
Well, I think partially. I mean, let's think about this. We've got a bull market. It started back in March of 2009. So the first 92 months of the bull market, that occurred under President Obama. The most recent 11 months under President Trump. Now, the reality is when he was first elected, people thought the market's going to go up. We're going to get infrastructure, we're going to spending, we're going to get tax reform, we're going to get regulatory reform. Of those three, we've gotten a little bit of regulatory reform. That's it. So I still think the fundamentals are what's driving the market right now, not so much what the Trump administration is doing, although they are saying they will do something.
That said, how worried are you about how long this can last?
I'm always worried. Tomorrow marks the 30th anniversary of the crash of 1987. And I hate to admit it, but I was a young pup trader that month, and it was scary. That day, the stock market dropped by 22% in one session. That is as if the Dow dropped 5,000 points or more right now. That was caused by a confluence of various things. But reality is, those things are not present now. They could always happen. It's good to be defensive. Don't take on too much risk.
And yet we recovered from that and will from the next correction.
Well, yes, but we don't want to have to go through it again.
Jill, thank you very much.